Why choose vocational courses? Vocational courses are designed to give you practical skills that directly apply to real world jobs. It's about learning by doing, getting hands on experience to get you the career you want. Our graduate program in financial markets gives you in depth knowledge in areas like financial analysis, risk management, trade strategies, and regulatory compliance. Designed for industry experts, this program equips you with the skills to thrive in the fast paced world of finance. This program opens door to exciting career opportunities in the financial sector like fintech, equity research analyst, portfolio management, and much more. The best part, you can start right after your 12th grade. Ready to launch your career? Enroll in our graduate program in financial markets today and turn your passion into profession. For more information, you can visit our website. The link is in the bio.